Buenas noches, bienvenidos. Comenzamos la rueda de prensa. Recuerden, hacemos una pregunta por intervención y antes de identificarse con su nombre y el del medio. Estamos allí.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Mister, aquí al fondo, Javier Herráez, en directo en Carrusel Deportivo de la cadena SER. Quería preguntarle, aunque no ha jugado, por Vinicius, ha estado con él, ¿cómo se encuentra? Aparte de lo físicamente, si pudiera jugar el sábado en Sevilla, y anímicamente, ¿cómo está?
How's Vinicius? Mentally. Oh, he's fine. He's fine. Of course, all the support he has received in these days has been good for him. Mentally, he's fine. He was bothered in the knee, so that's why he didn't play. We'll see how he's doing tomorrow, if he can train, to see if he can play against Sevilla. Right now it's a little thing, a tiny thing, but he couldn't play today.
Buenas noches, Carlo, en directo para el Radio Estadio de Onda Cero, Fernando Burgos. Te quería preguntar por lo que decidió ayer el comité de competición a eso de las 11 de la noche, dejar sin efectos disciplinarios la expulsión de Vini, que pudiera jugar en el día de hoy. No sé si te sorprendió, ¿lo consideras justo?
Is it fair? Were you surprised by the red card of Vinicius being revoked? Yes, I was surprised. I think it was a mistake. They evaluated only in the game, only Vinicius' behavior, not everything. I think it was a whole sequence so that they changed their thought, and I think it was the right call. In the first half, it looked Benzema couldn't continue. How is he doing physically? Benzema had a cut on his foot in the first half. It bothered him a bit. We evaluated the situation during the break. He could continue. It affected him, but not much, really. And he played well at a good level the 90 minutes. But that cut bothered him a little. That was the situation.
Hola, mister. Buenas noches. Miguel Ángel Lara de Marca. Le quería preguntar por un jugador rival, como es Fran García. ¿Qué le ha parecido?
Fran García, your thoughts on him? Will he be playing with him? Would you be coaching him next season? I think Fran García is an excellent left fullback. He has energy. He's fast with the ball, dribbles well, attacks well. I think he has great profile for Real Madrid, and he'll be with us, yes.
Hola, aquí Juanma Sánchez de Radio Nacional para Tablero Deportivo en directo. Ayer decía que tenían que tomarse medidas drásticas contra el racismo en el fútbol. De momento, ¿qué opina de la sanción a la grada de
what do you think about the sanction to Valencia fans because of the racism shown? Well, in these 2 days, many things have happened. I think the community, the whole community, the whole society has taken conscience of what is happening. I think it's a great opportunity. In these days, they took that decision that affect Mestalla's stand. I think it's a step forward, very important step forward. And I hope all this issue could be solved soon.
¿Qué tal, Carlos? Miguel Ángel Toribio en directo para Radio Marca. De todas las cosas que han pasado en las últimas horas, usted el domingo en Mestalla y ayer también denunció ese
Sunday at Mestalla
en la secuencia de la expulsión de Vinicius. Que al árbitro le pusieron pues de un minuto que duró la secuencia.
You talked about the sequence on Vinicius' red card.
Quería preguntarle si se ha planteado si eso ha podido pasar en otras imágenes en lo que va a
You think this could have happened in other games?
Que la liga pueda estar adulterada.
That the league's been changed because of that? Well, it's complicated. It's complicated to talk about this. I want to think it was a mistake. That it was not on purpose, that it was done on good faith. That not putting the whole sequence, it was a mistake. If it has happened in the past, I don't know. I don't know.
Hola, Carlos. Romero, El Mundo. Quería saber En caso de que Vinicius juegue el sábado en Sevilla o en el próximo partido que juegue fuera de casa, ¿qué le pediría usted a la afición visitante? Entiendo que no va a ser un recibimiento.
For the next game, what would you ask to the home fans? How should they welcome Vinicius? Well, I'm not asking anything to anyone. People should have their behavior they should have. There are things that can be done and things that cannot be done.
Hola, mister. Tomás López Menchero para The Athletic. Me imagino que hoy, obviamente, hubierais gustado que Vinicius estuviese en el campo. ¿Qué perdéis como equipo cuando...
What do you lose as a team when Vinicius is not on the pitch? Well, everybody knows Vinicius. He's very important for us. He delivers assists, he scores. He's very dangerous on offense. Today he was replaced by another winger, left winger, who's played many times at the right side. And that brings a lot to us. Rodrigo was a difference maker today.
¿Qué tal, Carlo? Aquí a su izquierda, Rubén Cañizares de ABC. Creo que Javier Tebas ha dado hoy unas cuantas entrevistas, la mayoría de ellos a medios brasileños, y en concreto a la ESPN le ha dicho que le pide perdón a Vinicius.
Javier Tebas said to Brazil ESPN that he has to be forgiven by Vinicius. What do you think? I think it's good. I think it's good.
Bien, creo que, como he dicho, todo el mundo se ha dado cuenta, se está dando cuenta cuando todo.
I think everybody's realizing now the situation. What happened to Vinicius?
Nuestra sociedad es llena de personas.
Our community is full of intelligent people.
Sobre todo en España.
Especially in Spain.
Creo que cuando
and I think when
hay personas inteligentes que toman decisiones,
intelligent people make decisions, the problem is finished. I hope this will happen here.
¿Qué tal, Carlos Martín de OK Diario? Acaba de decir que Rodrigo, que hoy ha jugado, hoy ha hecho de alguna manera de Vinicius.
You just said Rodrigo was just playing Vinicius' role. Your thoughts on Rodrigo this season? Very good season. He's had a very good season. Almost a perennial starter. He has given us a lot. Rodrigo has a great progression. I think he was a pillar player, and I think he will keep growing next season. Because he's not yet at his best level. He's close, though. He's very close.
Enhorabuena por la victoria, David Robledo de Telemadrid. Ha hablado de Rodrigo, que ha marcado las diferencias, ha marcado un golazo.
Rodrigo scored a great goal, and he dedicated it to Vinicius. Your thoughts on that? I didn't see that. I didn't see what he did, his gesture. I didn't see it. I think everybody, all the players closer to Vinicius, wanted to dedicate that to Vinicius. They feel this issue. They're very affected by what happened. He's very good. He's a good friend of Vinicius. So Vinicius, he's had 2 tough days. So he's lived 2 tough days. So it's to show proximity to a teammate.
Hola, mister. José Aguado de La Razón. Quería preguntarle si usted piensa que todo lo que ha pasado estos días que hemos estado hablando de todo esto, si ha servido para algo.
You think all this has served a purpose?
¿Se va a dar otro caso así?
Or do you think this is going to be repeated in the future? Well, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think we all took conscience of this. I think things will improve quickly.